Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna.
Hey, David. How are you today?
I'm good now, but earlier today, not so good.
Oh, really? What happened?
Okay, so I had this email, an important email. I needed to send it to my boss. Just a short email, maybe 5 sentences.
That doesn't sound so hard.
It wasn't hard. That's the problem. I sat at my desk, I opened my laptop, I looked at the empty email, and then I closed the laptop.
You closed it?
I closed it. I went to the kitchen, I made tea, I came back, I opened my laptop again, I looked at the email, and I closed it again.
Oh, no, David.
I know. And then I picked up my phone, I checked Instagram, I checked the weather, I checked Instagram again, the weather had not changed, Instagram also had not changed, but I kept looking.
I am laughing, but I feel this so much. We have all done this.
Right? And the funny thing is, this email took me 8 minutes to write. 8 minutes! But I waited 3 hours.
3 hours of doing nothing to avoid 8 minutes of work?
My brain is not always my friend.
That is today's topic. Why is starting so hard? And how do we begin even when we really don't feel like it?
This is such an important topic, and I think many people listening right now have felt exactly this feeling.
Yes, and if you are one of those people, welcome. You are in the right place today.
Before we go on, if this episode is helpful for you, please give it a like. It helps other people find us. And subscribe to Fluento if you haven't yet. It means so much to us.
It really does. Okay, so David, let's talk about this feeling. The I don't feel like it feeling. Why does this happen?
You know, I think the problem is we wait. We wait to feel ready. We wait to feel motivated. We think, when I feel good, then I will start.
Yes, like motivation is something that just comes. Like the sun. You wait and eventually it arrives.
Exactly. But sometimes the sun doesn't come, and you wait all day and nothing happens.
I love that picture. The sun that never comes.
And the task is still there. The email is still there. The room is still messy. The English lesson is still waiting.
I think there's also something else. It's not just waiting, it's also fear a little bit.
Fear? Of an email?
Of doing it badly, of starting and making mistakes. You think, what if I write the wrong thing? What if I study and I still don't understand? What if I try and it's hard?
Oh, yes, that is real. I think my brain was telling me, what if the email is bad? What if my boss doesn't like it? So it's easier to not send it.
It's safer to do nothing, because if you do nothing, you can't fail.
But if you do nothing, nothing happens.
Nothing happens. The messy room stays messy. The email stays unsent. The English stays unlearned.
So the fear protects us from nothing useful.
Right. And here is something important. The first 60 seconds of starting something, they are the hardest. Just 60 seconds.
Only 60 seconds?
After that, it gets easier. But those first seconds feel heavy. They feel like lifting something very big. And our brain says, no, let's not lift that. Let's watch something instead.
My brain loves to watch things instead.
Everyone's brain does. This is normal. This is human.
Okay, so this is the feeling, the heaviness, the waiting, the fear. But Anna, what do we do about it?
Okay, so here is the big idea. Ready?
Ready.
You don't need motivation to start. You need to start to get motivation.
Wait, say that again.
You don't need motivation first. Action comes first, then motivation follows.
So it's backwards from what I thought.
Yes, we think motivation, action, but really it's action, motivation.
Can you give me an example?
Yes, think about exercise. On a cold morning, you really don't want to move. You're warm, you're comfortable, you have no motivation.
Every morning for me.
But you stand up, You put on your shoes, you walk outside. And after 2 minutes of walking, how do you feel?
Actually, a little better, sometimes a lot better.
The motivation came after you moved, not before.
So the body moves first, and then the brain catches up.
Exactly. Energy comes from movement, not the other way.
I like this. This gives me hope. I don't have to feel ready, I just have to begin.
Just begin, yes.
But, okay, how? Because knowing this is one thing, doing it is another.
True. So let's talk about some real things, practical things you can try today.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me the tools.
First one. Are you ready?
Very ready.
Make the goal embarrassingly small.
Embarrassingly small?
Like, so small you almost laugh at it. For example, if you want to study English but you don't feel like it, don't say, I will study for 1 hour. Say, I will read 1 sentence.
1 sentence? That's nothing.
That's the point. Your brain cannot say no to 1 sentence. It's too small to fight.
My brain can fight many things, but 1 sentence? Maybe not.
And usually, once you read 1 sentence, you read another, and suddenly 5 minutes passed and it didn't feel heavy at all.
Because you already started.
Because you already started. The door is open, and it's much easier to keep going through an open door.
I love that. An open door. Okay, what's the next one?
The next one is a countdown. You count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you move.
Like a rocket launch.
Exactly like a rocket. And the key is you don't think during the countdown, you just count. And at 1, your body moves before your brain can say no.
Because if you stop to think, the brain will make an excuse.
Always. The brain is very creative with excuses.
Oh, very creative. My brain says things like, you should rest first, you worked hard this week, or just 1 more episode, then you start. My brain loves that one.
Just 1 more episode. That is a classic.
A classic trap.
So the countdown stops the thinking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm going to try this today. What's the next tool?
Change your location.
What do you mean?
If you are sitting on the couch and you can't start, move. Go to a different chair. Go to the kitchen table. Go outside for 2 minutes. A new place can wake up your brain a little.
That's interesting. Like a reset button.
Yes, a physical reset. Your body goes somewhere new and your brain thinks, oh, something is different. Maybe we are doing something now.
I've noticed this actually. When I work at a cafe, I work better. Something about being in a different place.
Yes, the couch has a feeling. The couch says, relax. The table says, work. Your brain listens to these feelings.
My couch is too comfortable. It's a dangerous couch.
Many couches are dangerous. Be careful.
Very good advice for life. What's the next tool?
Say it out loud.
Say what out loud?
What you are about to do out loud, with your voice. For example, you say, I am going to open my notebook now. I am going to write 3 sentences.
And just say it to the room?
To the room, to yourself, to your cat if you have one.
I don't have a cat, but I have a plant.
Perfect. Tell your plant, I am starting now.
This sounds a little funny, but I want to try it.
It works because hearing your own voice makes the plan feel more real. It's not just a thought anymore, it's a sentence. It exists in the world.
And if I say I'll start, I feel a little more responsible to actually do it.
Yes, you made a small promise, even to a plant. The plant believes in you.
My plant has high hopes for me. Okay, and the last tool?
The last one is promise yourself you can stop after 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yes, you say, I will do this for only 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, I can stop if I want. No guilt, no pressure.
So I give myself an exit.
Yes, the exit makes it feel safe. The brain doesn't panic. It thinks, okay, only 3 minutes. I can survive 3 minutes.
And then what? Do you stop after 3 minutes?
Sometimes, and that's okay. 3 minutes of studying is better than 0 minutes. But often you keep going because 3 minutes in, you're already started, and starting was the only hard part.
So the exit is real, but the brain often doesn't use it.
Exactly. The exit gives you permission, and permission relaxes you. And when you're relaxed, starting is easier.
Anna, these are really good. I feel like I'm learning about my brain as much as about English.
That's the idea. Understanding yourself helps you move forward.
You know, I want to say something important here about kindness.
Yes, please say it.
I think a lot of people, when they don't start, when they procrastinate, they feel bad about themselves. They say, I'm lazy, I'm weak, I have no discipline.
And that feeling is so heavy.
It is, and actually, I think that feeling makes it harder to start, not easier.
You're completely right. When we feel bad about ourselves, we feel heavy, and it's hard to move when you feel heavy.
But when we're kind to ourselves, when we say, okay, I didn't start yesterday, that's okay, let me try again today, that's lighter.
It's so much lighter. You know, I had a week last month where I couldn't write anything for this channel. Nothing. Every day I sat down, every day I got up without writing.
Really? Anna, that surprises me.
Yes, me, the person talking about productivity right now.
What did you do?
I stopped being mean to myself about it. I said, okay, this week is hard. I'm tired. I'll rest, and I'll come back when I can.
And did you come back?
I came back, and the week after, I wrote more than usual because I rested and I came back without guilt.
Without guilt. That's a beautiful phrase, without guilt.
Guilt is heavy. Rest is not failure. Rest is preparation.
I want our listeners to really hear that. Rest is not failure. Rest is preparation.
And you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to start every day. You don't have to be a machine.
You just have to restart again and again. Every restart counts.
Every single restart. There's no limit on restarts. You can restart 100 times and still succeed.
I really believe that.
And here's something for our listeners right now. If you are listening to this episode, maybe you're walking or cleaning or sitting somewhere, you are already doing something.
That's true. You chose to learn today.
You chose this instead of something easy. That is not nothing. That is something.
Hey, if you're listening right now and this is resonating with you, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment. Tell us one thing you've been putting off.
Just one thing. Maybe it's an email, maybe it's a phone call, maybe it's studying, maybe it's cleaning that one room.
You can even comment, I'm starting today. Let us know. We read the comments. We love to see them.
It's a small act of courage, and small acts of courage matter.
They really do. Okay, Anna, let's bring it together. What are the main ideas from today?
Okay, the first big idea, starting feels hard because of the first 60 seconds. It's the beginning that's heavy, not the whole task.
And the second one?
You don't need to feel motivated first. Action creates motivation. Move first, feeling follows.
Good. And then we talked about tools. What were they?
Make the goal very, very small. One sentence, one step, one tiny thing.
Count down from 5. Don't think, just go.
Change your location for a physical reset.
Say your plan out loud, even to a plant.
And promise yourself you can stop after 3 minutes. Give yourself the exit.
And the emotional part, the part I think is most important.
Be kind to yourself. You're not lazy. You're human. Restart without guilt.
Rest is not failure. Rest is preparation.
And every restart counts.
That's everything. That's the whole episode in 1 minute.
You know, I'll say one last thing. A lot of people wait for the right moment to start. The right day, the right mood, the right energy.
The stars to align.
Yes, but the right moment is almost never coming. The moment is now. Imperfect, a little tired, a little unsure, now.
Start now. Start badly if you have to. Start anyway.
Start anyway. That's the secret. Not a big secret, not a complicated secret, just that.
Start anyway.
I love that we said it together.
We are very in sync today. The plants are proud of us.
All the plants. Thank you for being here today, everyone. Really, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. It means a lot that you listen, that you choose to spend this time with your English.
If this episode was useful for you, please share it with one person, someone who might need a small push today.
And leave us a like. It really helps us reach more learners around the world.
Subscribe to Fluento if you haven't yet. New episodes come every day.
And remember, you don't have to be ready, you just have to begin.
Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves.
Until next time, bye everyone.
Bye.